Unnatural selection is a collection of 30-second looping video artworks made using artificial intelligence and algorithmic image manipulation on source photographs of natural and organic forms created by the artist known as Madbutter. These artworks are available as one-of-one NFTs minted on the Ethereum and Tezos blockchains. They are available for purchase on several marketplaces, including OpenSea for the Ethereum mints and Object.com for Tezos. See the end of this video for direct links.
So let's break down how this work is produced with this three-part process: nature photography, algorithmic image manipulation, and StyleGAN AI artificial intelligence processing.
Let's start with photography. Madbutter starts by capturing photographic images of organic forms, often in macroscopic close-up, using such techniques as track shooting, focus stacking, and HDR. There is an emphasis on capturing interesting textures, colors, and compositions that are particularly suited to be remixed algorithmically in the next stage.
Next up is Stage 2, Algorithmic Image Manipulation. Madbutter used Max MSP Jitter, a visual programming environment, to create a patch that iteratively folds and reflects parts of the image. The patch partially abstracts the source imagery, amplifying certain patterns and forms and allowing new ones to emerge. Each source image can generate multiple variations. Madbutter then saves out particularly interesting subsections of these variations to create thousands of unique 1024 by 1024 pixel images. These images form the dataset that the AI trains on in the next stage. For this project, 2,500 of these images were made to create the dataset.
Finally, we get to the artificial intelligence part of the process. The dataset just mentioned then gets uploaded to a cloud-based Google Colab, where a Python-based notebook trains the thousands of images in a web browser interface using an AI model called StyleGAN 2. StyleGAN, as its name suggests, is a GAN, or generative adversarial network. The basic idea behind GANs is they consist of two parts: a generator network that fashions new images from raw noise input, and a discriminator network that evaluates these images, steering them until they are deemed sufficiently real, or similar enough to the original images in the dataset. The GAN essentially studies the images in the dataset and creates a distilled mathematical representation of it called a latent space. As the GAN successfully trains, the program can extract images from different parts of the latent space that look similar to the original dataset. Madbutter then makes animations by programming linear interpolations or latent walks in this space. The distinctive transformation of the imagery in the animation is what is produced as you navigate step by step from one seed value designating one part of the latent space to another, sampling it at each point.
The result are these animations that are at once both natural and artificial, a fusion of the real and the virtual. What started as nature photographs of things like cacti, shells, tree husks, fish scales, desert succulents, flower pods, barnacles, and other organic sources, then became something new, through both the algorithmic image manipulation and the reinterpretation of this imagery by the AI.
The algorithms at work here create new and unexpected patterns and shapes, imbuing the original nature imagery with a hypnotic, organic, biomorphic flow that feels almost otherworldly. A garden tour of the uncanny valley.